Dental filling solutions, comparing costs in Turkey and Europe. When it comes to dental procedures, one of the most common treatments patients need is a dental filling. Dental fillings are used to repair cavities and restore the function and appearance of damaged teeth. However, the cost of dental fillings can vary depending on where you live. In Turkey, dental fillings are known to be much more affordable compared to European countries. The lower cost of living and lower labor costs in Turkey contribute to the overall lower prices for dental treatments. This makes Turkey an attractive option for those looking to save money on their dental care. On the other hand, European countries tend to have higher costs for dental fillings due to higher overhead expenses and stricter regulations. While the quality of care in Europe is generally excellent, the higher costs can be a barrier for some patients. In conclusion, if you're looking to save money on dental fillings, considering getting the procedure done in Turkey may be a good option. However, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable dentist to ensure you receive high-quality care at an affordable price.